So you have a RCA Roku TV remote and you have an issue where it's not working. Basically, you have a delayed or slow response. In other words, when you're trying to move like right, it should move right within 1 second. If it takes 2 or 3 seconds, then you have a slow or delayed response. Same thing if you're like moving down, it should go right away. You shouldn't have to press down and wait 2 or 3 seconds before it actually goes down, okay? Anyway, I'm gonna give you guys 3 solutions to get you up and running right now. Now take note, this fix, these 3 possible fixes is only gonna help about 60% of you guys. However, if it works for you, it's a really easy fix, okay? So step number 1, make sure your TV is on, and then wherever your outlet is, while the TV is on, I want you to go ahead and pull the plug. So go ahead and pull the plug, wait 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, go ahead and plug it back in. Go ahead and turn your TV on and then see if your remote is now working properly. If not, we're going to go to step number 2. Step number 2, grab your remote. Go ahead and pop out your batteries. After you take out your batteries, go ahead and press and hold the power button for 15 seconds. Press and hold and do not let go for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, go ahead and let go. And now what I want you to do is start off with the power button here and spam every single button, okay? What you want to do is keep pressing, spamming these. What you want to do is get it loose, because a lot of times what happens is if you get like water in there or like lotion or coffee or lint or dust get stuck in one of the buttons, it can cause all kinds of havoc on the remote, okay? So get everything all nice and loose. Also, don't forget the volume up and down rockers and the mute button here. Go ahead and press those a few times. Press every single button on here like multiple times, just go crazy. Then give it a couple whacks like this. Now go ahead and put your batteries back in, but don't put your back plate on yet. Put the batteries back in and see if the remote is working. If not, go ahead and pull the batteries back out and do the same thing again. Remember, press and hold this power button for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, let go, and then spam every single button on here. Okay, get everything all nice and loose, even the sides here, all nice and loose. Give it a couple whacks, pop in the batteries. Again, don't put the back plate on, and then see if your remote is working. Now the thing is, if it's still not working, try the same step again 5 or 6 more times. It usually takes about after 3 times, then it usually starts working, okay? Anyway, if you've done it 6 times and it's still not working, then the last thing I have for you is this, okay? Go ahead, again, pull out the batteries, and what I want you to do is get a another set of batteries. It doesn't necessarily have to be brand new batteries. Just get 2 different total batteries, okay? And before you pop those in, do the same thing. Press and hold the power button for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, let go. Spam every single button on here, even on the sides. Just go crazy with it. Give it a couple whacks. Then put those 2 new batteries in and go ahead and see if your remote is working, okay? Now, if you went this far from the video, at least 60% of you guys should be up and running now with a properly functioning remote. If it worked for you, give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down. Like I said, we should have a 60-40 like to dislike ratio. Good luck.